how to message customers on your Facebook page using Messenger. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Facebook. After that, make sure you are logged in with your Facebook page. So here in the right upper corner, you can see the profile icon with three dotted horizontal lines. So simply tap on that. After that, you have to tap on the gear option, which is in the right upper corner. By tapping on that, you'll be able to see the page settings option. Tap on that and the settings of your page will be opened over here. You can see the privacy option, so tap on that. So here you have to go through the messaging which is in the button and make sure the messaging option here is on. This allows the customers to message on your Facebook, and also it will allows you to message to your customers, and when the customers send you message, then you'll be able to receive the message on Messenger. So for checking that, you have to go back to your home page, and here in the right upper corner you can see the messaging option. So simply tap on that, and after that you can see you can receive a message here in the Messenger. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.